Hey guys, I'm at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Thought I'd make a little video and give you an update on the Hellcat Gladiator EVO conversion kit. Rick and Forrest got everything buttoned up. Got the King off-road shocks installed. Got the extra long EVO brake cables to make up for the height difference. Got the Method wheels with the 40-inch tires. Got the Moto built Tomahawk rear bumper installed and powder coated. Got the Baja Designs reverse lights. Walk up here to the front, let you see the off-road shocks all stretched out. Now this does have a long arm kit. Got the TerraFlex upper and lower control arms. Give you a better view without the fender liner. So Rick had to weld up this, I guess, shock bracket in order to install these shocks up in the front. Looks nice. Also got the short arm upper and lower control arm kit as well, TerraFlex. Got another little build going on with some minor updates. 2026 Moab 392. It's in the firecracker red. Went with some bronze 1552 wheels. Looks like we're also working on installing some rock slide power steps. Forrest just needs to wire these bad boys up. Let's kind of get a look at what the original wheels looked like with the XR package. I think the bronze looks way better than the factory wheels. Got one little other item. Give you behind the scenes of what it looks like when you got to remove a heater core out of a Jeep Gladiator. It is a lengthy process. Still have to remove the dashboard, but got the driver and passenger seats out. Got the console out. Got the 3-liter diesel. Just shows you how big of a job it is to replace a heater core in a Jeeps these days. But other than that, we're staying busy. Got a lot of other builds ahead of us. Appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below. Other than that, you guys have a wonderful day.